Hello everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Delta Maths Assam. So আজি আমি এই ভিডিওটোত আমি কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশনৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড আমি কেইটামান প্ৰবলেম সলভ কৰিম। So তোমালোকে ভালকৈ অবজাৰ্ভ কৰিবা। So we are going to solve some numericals related to continuous functions. ঠিক আছে? So let's start with the first problem. So look at this question number 1. So that function f of x equal to c is continuous. So let's solve it. So look at the solution. So given function is f of x equal to c, right? So let আৰু তোমালোকে যদি ভালকৈ অবজাৰ্ভ কৰা you can clearly see so this the domain of this function is what the set of real number. Okay, so let consider let c belongs to the domain of the function is any arbitrary point. ঠিক আছে? So now let us consider let epsilon greater than 0 be any positive number. So now mod of f of x minus f of c is equal to what? Mod of x নহব ইয়াতে ফাংশনটোৰ ডেফিনেশনটো কি দিয়া আছে f of x equal to c. so ইয়াতে কিমান পাবা f of x of value to c হ'ব. again the value of the function at the point c will be again c. so তোমালোকে পাবা mod of c minus c which is equal to তোমালোকে 0 পাবা. ঠিক আছে? and 0 is obviously less than epsilon. ঠিক আছে? so ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমালোকে কি কনক্লুড কৰিব পাৰিবা therefore that is mod of f of x minus f of c is less than epsilon, and this is whole for all x belongs to the set of real number. Okay, that is the domain of the function. So in particular you can write what? So there exists a delta greater than 0, okay, such that f of x minus f of c less than epsilon whenever x belongs to set of real number, that is the domain of the function, and mod x minus c less than delta. Or you can also write x belongs to R intersection V delta neighborhood C. So by the definition of continuous function, so therefore what you have, the function f of x equal to x is f of x equal to c is a continuous function at x equal to c. ঠিক আছে? again তোমালোকে এটা কথা অবজাৰ্ভ কৰিবা যে এটা ফাংচন যদি এটা ডোমেইনৰ যিকোনো এটা আৰ্বিট্ৰাৰী পইণ্টত কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় তেনেহলে সেই ফাংচনটো এন্টায়াৰ ডোমেইনটোত কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় এতিয়া চোৱা সিন্স x equal to c is any arbitrary point of the domain so therefore the function x equal to f of x equal to c is continuous at the entire domain. ঠিক আছে, I hope you can clearly understand this concept of this numerical. So let us now solve another problem which is also related to continuous function. Question number 2. Show that the function f of x equal to x is continuous. So amak dekhabo dise next another problem dia ase amak dekhabo dise this function is continuous on R. That means here domain at continuous boli amak dekhabo dise. So look at the solution. So given function is f of x equal to x and this function is well defined for all x belongs to R. That means the domain of the function is what? R, right? So to show the continuity of the function, so let us consider, let C belongs to R, any arbitrary point of the domain. ঠিক আছে, আমি arbitrary point বুলি ধৰি লৈছো, so এটা যিকোনো এটা point, so domain ৰ পৰা, so let epsilon be any positive real number. So now to show the continuity of the given function, so what we need to show, so কি show কৰিব লাগে, mod of f of x minus f of c less than epsilon whenever x belongs to ক'ত থাকিব লাগিব, a and domain of the function থাকিব লাগিব and x belongs to delta neighborhood of the point c, or you can also write mod of x minus c less than delta. So তেতিয়া আমি কম the function is continuous. That means প্ৰত্যেকটো epsilonৰ বাবে যদি আমি at least এটা delta positive existence পাওঁ, যাৰ বাবে কি হয়, যদি mod of f of x minus c less than epsilon হয় whenever x belongs to a and x belongs to delta neighborhood of c, or x belongs to delta neighborhood of c means mod of x minus c less than delta, or you can also write x belongs to what, a intersection b delta neighborhood of c. So এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি ফাংচনটো কন্টিনিউয়াস বুলি কলে কওঁ, ঠিক আছে। সো আমি কি দেখাব লাগিব, সো mod of f of x minus f of c less than epsilon দেখাব লাগিব whenever x belongs to a intersection b delta কি হয়, b delta neighborhood of c. So mod of f of x minus f of c, so what is the value of this, so mod of f of x minus f of c means, so the given function is what, f of x equal to x. So by the definition of the function, so what we flag here, so f of x was জায়গাত আমি x লিখিম and f of c জায়গাত কি লিখিম, c লিখিম। এতিয়া চোৱা whenever কি হয়, x minus c mod of x minus c less than delta তেতিয়া আমি কি দেখাব লাগে f of x minus f of c less than আমি epsilon দেখাব লাগে ঠিক আছে এতিয়া ইয়াতে আমি কি পালো mod of f of x minus f of c equal to mod of x minus c this is less than কি হ'ব epsilon হ'ব if কেতিয়া যেতিয়া mod of x minus c less than epsilon হয় ঠিক আছে so now let delta equal to যদি epsilon no তো তেনেহলে আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো then we can write what so f of x minus f of c less than epsilon লিখিব পাৰো whenever mod of x minus c less than delta ঠিক আছে so therefore so by the definition of continuous function therefore the given function f is continuous continuous at the point x equal to c which is belongs to the domain of the function and since x equal to c is any arbitrary point of the domain therefore the function is continuous at the entire domain ঠিক আছে so in this way we can deal with the problems related to continuous function ঠিক আছে so আমি next video to আৰু কিছুমান problems আমি solve কৰিম so related to continuous function so video to যদি ভাল লাগে তোমালোকে like share or subscribe কৰিব নাপাহৰিবা so keep watching the videos আৰু যিমান পাৰা share কৰিবা so that's all about for today so we will meet in the next video okay